Cheers, everybody. Today, you're at the Drunken Sailor Cocktail Channel, and I am Bill the Drunken Sailor. You may not realize it if you look out the window, but if you check out the calendar, it is actually the first day of spring. And for all my friends up north, you guys, I gotta say, you put up with probably one of the most brutal winters in a long, long time. So for that, cheers. I've got a cocktail for you today that, if the weather says it's crappy, this one is going to sail you straight into springtime. It's bright, it's refreshing, it's fruity, and the name on this cocktail, when I tell you, it's very deceiving, but you're going to like it. So come on, have a seat at the bar. We are making the Pineapple Mezcal Old Fashioned. Let's get pouring. This cocktail is going to get built in a shaker, and that's the first difference. Why I say this one, I don't really know if it's an old fashioned. That just means it's cocktail hour. Now, let's meet the ingredients. The first off in this one is mezquila. Now, this is Santos, and it's the tequila product of Guy Fieri and Sammy Hagar. It is a combination of tequila and mezquila. So it's got a great tequila flavor to it. It's got a great mezcal flavor to it. Or we can use a full-on mezcal. We've got some fruit juices in here. We've got some freshly squeezed lime juice. Lime juice isn't really typical for your old-fashioned. We've got some pineapple juice, pineapple mezcal. And of course, we're going to use a little bit of simple syrup and some bitters. So those last two ingredients are what you're going to find in the old-fashioned. And to pop up the flavor in there, just a little bit of salt. So let's start. Our first going in there is going to be the pineapple juice, and we're going to use 3/4 of an ounce. And I've got to say, I've made this before with fresh pineapple juice, and I've used it with a canned pineapple juice. The fresh is always better. It's a lot more difficult to get, but 3/4 of an ounce is going in there. I'm going to follow that up with some freshly squeezed lime juice. We're going to use just 1/4 of an ounce in there, just enough to brighten it up. So we've got fruit juices, we've got lime juice, we've got some sweetener in there. We're using simple syrup. It's a 1-to-1 sugar-water ratio. We're going to use 1/4 of an ounce in that. And that's going in our shaker. We're going to follow that up with some orange bitters. These are my Drunken Sailor homemade bitters. We're going to use a full dropper full, and that's about a dash. What I want to do now is some salt, and I am using some kosher salt. It's flake salt. We're going to use a very generous pinch in there. That salt just makes everything pop. It works wonders. We're going to follow that up with the mezquila. And as I said, this is a combination of tequila and mezcal all in the same bottle. Twice the fun, the same price. And we're going to use in there 1.5 ounces. If you haven't figured it out by now, I think this is more of a margarita than old-fashioned, but I can live with that. I like both of them. Now, I want to ice this up so we can chill it down. A good 10 to 15 second shake on this. Let's get it nice and cold. Let's watch the side of that shaker condense. We've got our condensation. That tells us that it's nice and cold. Pop the top on that. And now we need to get our glass ready. What I've got here is some tahini, and that's one of the favorite things I use to rim my margarita glasses. Or maybe now my old-fashioned glasses. We're just going to take a little wedge of lime, put that on the side, and it can be a little bit spicy, so we're not going to do the full rim on it, but we're just going to lay it on half of a side. Now that we've got the tahini on there, what we need to do is fill this glass with some ice. We're going to use fresh ice. Fill that glass all the way up. And now we pour. It's a nice light color. It's bright. It's kind of refreshing after all those heavy winter cocktails. And now, my last step to garnish, a nice fresh piece of pineapple. And there we have the Pineapple Mezcal Old Fashioned. I've already got this one started, and I guess I can't drink two at the same time. As I said, this one is, it's a really nice margarita. You've got the good smoky flavor from that mezcal, or mezquila in this case. You've got that pineapple juice in there that makes it pop. You've got the salt that just kind of enhances all the flavors to it. On a beautiful spring day, you are absolutely going to love this one. Cheers, everybody. We're going to see you at the next cocktail.